This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your search history in Google Maps using a mobile device. I'll be using an iPhone SE, but this will work basically the same on any type of a mobile device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, to delete your search history in Google Maps, the first thing you need to do is click on your icon in the upper right hand corner. Select that. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and select that. Then you need to scroll down to where it says Map History and select that. And now towards the bottom you'll see it says Search Your Activity. You need to click on the three-dot hamburger menu next to that. And then you'll go down and select Delete Activity By. Select that. And if you want to, it gives you some options here. The last hour, last day, all time. I'm going to go ahead and select all time. You need to click the little arrow next to all time. And then you just click delete towards the bottom. Now all the search history has been deleted from Google Maps. Thanks for watching.